fix the road and they say they might fix the road. Don't know where they might fix it now. First one they fix. The whole of them fix up there, sir. A patrol see when on the road. So I don't know where they send them up on the road.
Okay, so how you know weather differently?
Well, the weather, why it a go on, you know?
It a go on?
Yeah.
And you know St. Thomas used to rain?
Yeah, man.
So it's a rainy parish.
Yeah, man. That's
so,
how it go.
You feel say since the rain fall, it wash off back, they look at something them put on up the road eh?
Dig it up back, man.
You dig it up back?
Dig it up, man. Go look on it for yourself and say, and dig it up back the same way.
Why? So it look like them choose the wrong time in hour.
Choose the wrong timing?
Yeah.
Man, they not do thing good. No time at all.
All right.
No time at all.
All
Right. Tell the China then can deal with the work.
But I China them take it over, me no want.
I China then take it over?
Yeah, and I need supervision.
And a supervision, that do good.
Nah, do good.
Where them a do this, nah, no good. No good.
Alright, no say nothing, my brethren. Take it easy, alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another day out on the road, yeah. Big super, you know. View by view, blow by blow, yeah. We out in the weather, yeah. Well, you don't know St. Thomas. St. Thomas used to rain. So, we can't say nothing because the parish used to rain. Yeah, my viewers and sub, you know, so we used to rain like that. And we're out on the East Prospect leg. And we're on a different section of it. And we just talked to one gentleman on a bicycle and he said, boy, in the rain, I know the road I figure fix. But dry time are the best time I feel to fix the road. Rainy time, rainy season and all these things are not really a good time, but them choose them time, everybody choose them time. And we just there, I show now, we just give you a little synapse out in the East Prospect, yeah. Yeah, you don't see it, them call it the Beverly Hills part of Jamaica. You don't know, it's a nice, clean, decent community with about 3 miles a stretch. A pretty level. Yeah, the A4. Yeah, we link Kingston to St. Thomas to Portland and maybe St. Mary too. Yeah man, very important piece of leg. A road there. We're there on it this morning and we are walk. And we are look on the roadway and the condition in the weather here. Because the weather here is a non-stop weather. Yeah, my viewers and sub. The weather here is a non-stop weather. I don't think the weather will ease up, you know, anytime soon, you know, although the storm, not really in a way, the tropical depression, not really in a way, but the weather linger, and so we will get, every so often we will get weather, so maybe it linger next couple of days or so, I don't know, I have to get some update from the weather people, but for now, we're out in East Prospect and we just walk along the road line and we just look and make you guys see how the place look in the morning. Yeah, so come up to midday and my viewers and subscribers, that's how the road look. Wet. Yeah, so if you not have to come out, no come out. Maybe tomorrow will be a bright and better and sunny day. But if you not have to come out, my viewers and subscribers, make sure you did buy enough thin stuff, because you know thin stuff are the long lasting stuff. So I hope you did buy a lot of thin stuff and steam. Cook up your little tin mackerel and your bully beef and your sardine and whatever you did buy, just cook some nice food and stay and enjoy it. The big super is out here. We're on the road and we see water start to take over the drain and stuff forth. So we're on the road here and we're just looking at what the roadway look like and in the weather here, and nothing much to really talk about more than the weather. Just a nice cool weather, vehicle driving on the road up and down, and as you can see we are here out here with the camera walking and we just I look upon all the drain and say, after the rain don't fall, we don't know how the mosquitoes them. A lot of mosquitoes go take over them drain, you know, when the rain finish. Yeah man, a lot of mosquito. Yeah. I'm gonna take over the roadway and the road condition when the rain. Yeah, the mosquito down in them drain now. And you know them drain and I really run going nowhere. So you know it got my viewers and subscribers. So we're out in East Prospect. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Big Super out in East Prospect. And we just take a look at the roadway and the condition of the road. And I tell you, St. Thomas gifted to rain. Authorities have to find a solution and a plan how to go around East Prospect or to go around St. Thomas fix road in the rain. So, my viewers and subscribers, for now, Big Super is out in East Prospect and we're looking at the weather. Yeah, the weather coming down. And I tell you, you can hear it from the umbrella. Yeah, a lot of water and stuff. Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, we are out in the rain and we're looking at the roadway, we're looking at the road condition and we're enjoying it. And from time to time, we'll give you regular update. But for now, everything is looking smooth. Yeah, the road is manageable, vehicle are manage it. So we don't really have nothing major to carry to you. So stick and stay. Big Super out in East Prospect, St. Thomas. Remember to like, share. Remember to subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember also to watch out my ads, my viewers and sub. Because I guess that is how I get paid. For now, Big Super out in the beautiful East Prospect, saying peace out.